are standing 800 feet from the base of the Empire State Building, which is 1,454 feet tall. Use trigonometry to solve the angle of elevation that you are looking up. Damn, that's a pretty tall building. Tower. Alright, so you're looking at this angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Well, it's pretty much if you're on the ground and you're looking at the building, what angle are you looking at? It would be at this angle because you're some feet away from this building and this building is some feet tall, so you're gonna be looking at this side of the right triangle. So what are the bases of the triangle and the side of this triangle? This side of the triangle is 800 feet and this other side is 1,454 feet tall, which is the height of the Empire State Building. 54. And so we can use SOHCAHTOA to find how this angle would be expressed. So this one would be the hypotenuse because it is the longest side of the triangle. It is in direct opposite of this right triangle and it's bigger than these two sides. And this one would be the adjacent because we're basing it off this angle and this angle would be adjacent to this side. And so when you're looking at this angle and you're going towards the opposite way, this would be the opposite. So how can we find x inside of this triangle? We're gonna use tangent, and so we'll get tangent. You don't have to add a j, but tangent equals to 1, 4, 5. 1.54 1.54 divided by 800. Let's not make it a banana. So how are we gonna get this x by itself so we can know what this angle is? Well, we'll have x be isolated using arctan, sometimes referred to as just this in the calculator, to both sides. Arctan and so these two would cancel out and we'll get x by itself. And so we'll have arctan of 1454 divided by 800. Make sure that your calculator is in degrees and not the radians. And so we'll get the x is equals to 61.18 degrees. You're looking at this angle at 61.18 degrees, 800 feet away at a building that's 1,454 feet tall. Thanks.